Hello, beautiful soul. Anger can build slowly and arrive like a storm. It can feel like pressure in your chest, heat in your belly, or a sharp edge in your words. It often hides behind silence, behind a smile. This meditation is not about pushing it down. It's about creating a safe space for it. Listening, honoring, and releasing. You don't have to figure it all out. Just breathe and be here with me now. Begin to settle into your body. Let your jaw unclench. Your shoulders soften. Feel the weight of your body supported by the ground beneath you. Take a deep breath in and exhale with a soft sigh. Again, inhale through the nose and let it go. And now, bring your attention inward. Notice where the anger lives in your body today. Is it in your stomach, your throat, your chest? And place a hand over that space. There is no need to fix it. Just feel it and let it know, I see you, I'm listening. Sometimes anger is a mask for hurt, for fear, for exhaustion. Sometimes it's a cry for boundaries, for fairness, for space to breathe. It is an opportunity for realignment. Let yourself ask gently, What is this anger trying to protect? What am I really feeling beneath it all? You might feel sadness, disappointment, grief, and whatever shows up today, it is okay. Let it rise. Let it be witnessed. Breathe into the feeling and breathe it out. You are allowed to feel this way. You are not broken. You are human. And now imagine this anger as an energy. A color, a shape, a texture. Maybe it's a stormy red cloud, or a pulsing light, or a heavy weight. Visualize yourself gently holding it in your hand. Not with judgment, but with understanding. Now, imagine placing this energy in a glowing fire before you. A sacred flame that doesn't destroy, but transforms. Watch the anger melt. The fire softens it, reshapes it, turns it into wisdom. Breathe in peace, and breathe out the weight you've been carrying. You are not your anger. You are the one who chooses what to do with it. Let your body relax. And feel the space you've created within yourself. More open, more spacious. Now, gently repeat these affirmations. I allow myself to feel fully and freely. I choose to release what no longer serves me. I respond with clarity, not reaction. I transform anger into insight and power. I forgive myself for being human. Let your nervous system soften and let peace begin to bloom in the places where fire once raged. Take a final deep breath in and exhale slowly with a long sigh. Feel yourself lighter, clearer. You've done something courageous. You've met your anger with love. You've listened to it and let it go. And now you're free to begin again. And when you're ready, bring yourself back into the room. You can move your body and open your eyes. Thank you for taking this time to care for yourself. If this meditation helps you feel more at ease, please like, comment, or subscribe to stay connected. Share this with someone who might need a moment of peace or releasing. I'm grateful to share this space with you. And until next time, be well, be kind, and stay in your light.